Today I'll be giving a presentation on International Business Machines, also known as IBM. Here's a list of the references. The primary objective of organizations is to make a profit. Businesses undergo various challenges throughout their life cycle. Proper management of internal and external environment is crucial to an organization's success. IBM has effectively overcome some of the environmental challenges. Additionally, business entities must ensure that products meet the consumers' needs and expectations as well as to set quality standards. However, most companies face various challenges in the course of their life cycle. These challenges can be from within or outside of the entity. Therefore, it is critical for companies to properly manage their business environments to minimize the effects of risk and maximize their potential. Like many companies, IBM has experienced the highs and lows of operating in a global market. However, the company has implemented effective strategies that has enabled it to overcome these obstacles and become one of the leading companies in the technology industry. IBM is one of the giant companies in the technology industry that provides a range of business and personal solutions. Like many entities, the company began on a small scale before attaining its current market position. IBM was first established in the late 1980s by Herman Hollerith and was initially known as the Computer Tabulating Recording Company. The company invested in research and innovation from its early stages, which enabled it to introduce the first computers in 1964. During this period, the company moved its corporate headquarters from Armonk to New York City. The innovation gave the company a competitive advantage over other entities in the same industry. However, the company faced several financial challenges from the early 1980s, which mainly arose from the changes in the technology environment. These issues led to the decline in profits of the company. With the application of appropriate strategies, IBM gradually regained its reputation and competitiveness by applying various corporate-level strategies. IBM has a diverse product portfolio that comprises of goods and services. Examples of goods produced by the company include computers, peripheral devices, and software. The services offered by the company include artificial intelligence, data security, and cloud applications. These products are customized to meet the needs of individuals as well as businesses. As mentioned earlier, IBM had financial issues from the late 1980s. These challenges led to a loss of $8 billion, which was one of the highest losses in history. Furthermore, the company was also considered as the toast of Wall Street and a dinosaur technology due to its slow response to technological advancement in the late 1980s. Before these corporate problems, IBM had won Nobel Prizes for its research and innovation in the field of science and technology. The company also initiated a new education model known as the Pathway in Technology Early College High Schools through a public-private partnership. This program gave young individuals an opportunity to build their careers in innovation and also to work with the company. Currently, the company profits have grown to $904 million from a margin of 10.2%, as reported in the 2008 annual reports. The success of IBM can be attributed to its resilience and purpose to survive in a highly competitive industry. The company started by recognizing the need for change in its organizational processes. According to John Carter, an organizational change process begins by developing a sense of urgency. In the case of IBM, the pressing issues was the loss of the company's reputation as the provider of business solutions, which led to decline in profitability and market share. Moreover, IBM also identified the need to diversify its portfolio from providing physical products to offering other technology-related services. This strategy enabled the company to meet the diverse needs of its customers. The change strategy at IBM did not only affect its product portfolio, The company also restructured its financial management and reporting system to promote efficiency and reduce operating costs. Initially, the subsidiaries of IBM in various countries had their manufacturing and sales operations as well, different styles of preparing and reporting financial statements. The company later decided to introduce a shared service model that not only enabled it to minimize complexities in organizational processes but also reduce the overall cost of operations. The reduction in cost led to improvements in profit margins. Since the market comprises of individuals with varied personalities, the customers are bound to have different tastes and preferences for a single product. Therefore, portfolio diversification is an important tool for organizations, especially the ones with a large market share, as it helps in effectively meeting the diverse needs of consumers. In the case of IBM, the company introduced other services such as cloud computing and advanced software for business solutions. The enlargement of the portfolio involved in the investment of a significant amount of funds. Another success factor in IBM is the investment in research and innovation. The company recognizes the dynamic nature of technology industry, hence emphasizes on continuous innovation. This strategy helps the company to keep up with the changing needs of the market and provide quality goods and services that match or exceed customer expectations. Effective leadership also contributed to IBM's turnaround and its steady growth and positive performance in the technology market. Leadership is an essential concept in organizations because it gives a sense of direction and aligns organizational operations with strategy. IBM's executive leadership comprises of individuals with effective leadership skills and adequate knowledge of market and business operations. The company's management has developed a clear vision and mission that guides and motivates the employees towards the attainment of its corporate goals. Additionally, the leaders are also established in implementing corporate values that also define the actions and behaviors of its employees. Some of the shared values include trust, responsibility, passion for building lasting relationships with clients, and critical thinking. Furthermore, a part of the vision and mission, shared values, and management of IBM also focuses on defining roles and responsibilities of its employees. The clear definition of roles and responsibilities helps in avoiding confusion and conflict, thereby improving employees' productivity. The final success factor of IBM is the application of an effective reward system. The company uses a personal business commitment system to manage the performance of its employees from all regions. Through this system, the employees set their goals for a specific financial year and receive feedback concerning their actual performance. The system also enables the management to identify the development needs of each employee. IBM also offers health benefits and attractive remuneration packages and a safe work environment for its employees. These initiatives contribute to increased employee motivation, commitment, and productivity, hence improving the organization's performance. Effective rewards also reduce the rates of employee turnover, thereby enabling the company to retain qualified personnel. Although IBM has regained its rightful position in the global technology industry, it faces competition from other tech giants such as Apple and Microsoft. The stiff competition causes fluctuations in the company's sales and earnings. Therefore, IBM still needs to design strategies that can help it maintain or improve its performance in the future. One of the strategies that the company can use is to focus on continuous innovation. Since the technology industry and the preferences of consumers keep on changing, this strategy is critical to IBM's future performance. Secondly, the company should also continuously revise its employee reward system. According to Maslow's hierarchy, the motivation of individuals should be based on their unique needs. However, these needs change with each individual's status or position. Therefore, frequently revising the compensation system, IBM will be able to address the needs of its workers adequately and improve employees' morale. Changes in organizational performance is inevitable, especially with the presence of environmental factors that affect business operations. Companies that operate on a global scale, such as IBM, should be able to identify and adopt business strategies and models that can help them survive market competition. IBM Corporation has proven that proper management and good leadership can help turn around the performance of a business by focusing on internal strengths and advantages in the external environment. However, the company also needs to invent additional corporate strategies to enhance its future performance.